Tosom na mo.
Papa will pay it off no matter what you owe. Have an old heater? We'll give you $3,000 minimum trade-in on any new Dodge in stock. And see you at Papa, we mean it when we say yes we can.
See dealer for details. 90% of Americans take a multivitamin every day. Do you? If so, metabolism booster as well. Now losing weight is as easy as taking your daily vitamins. Thanks to Refirm, the new weight loss program available only at Complete Nutrition. Refirm contains all the essentials of a daily multivitamin. But with Refirm, you also get a powerful fat-burning formula and metabolism booster, making weight loss easier than ever. So, if you're looking to lose weight and you take a daily multivitamin, Refirm is perfect for you. Get the Complete Nutrition today and try the brand new Refirm. Refirm for a reason.
Find Complete Nutrition on Southwest Midge and Road next to Chili's in the Myers
American.
Or for free shipping.
Zogamkhaita le.
9488.
Only at Complete Nutrition.
Hi, this is Krista Hatcher.
I'm Krista Hatcher. You're Will Harvey?
Oh, that's right.
I'm Hatcher and Harvey on 103.3 KFR.
Would you like to become a member of the 103.3 KFR team?
Of course you would. Why? So you can have fun, make money, and be a part of the most exciting radio station in Southwest Michigan.
We're looking for a dynamic sales representative to become a member of our team.
If you have a background in sales and thought maybe it would be exciting to work with Hatcher and Harvey and the rest of the staff here at Cumulus Kalamazoo, give us a call at 269-344-0111.
Of course, that's how you're going to find out more about this exciting career opportunity. That number again, 269-344-0111.
You could be a part of the best radio station in all of Southwest Michigan.
103.3 KFR, of course.
Of course. And don't forget all of the fun promotions like Mom to Mom and Christmas on Us.
And most of all, you can help local area businesses grow their business by providing them with some great promotions and other exciting marketing ideas.
Call today at 269-344-0111.
Welcome to Move Time Radio, presented by the Arthritis Foundation. Yeah, get down and dance. You hear that? That's the sound of arthritis pain being moved, grooved, hustled, shuffled, juke, jive, jumped, funk, shimmy, shook, and boogied. Movement is just one of the ways to help fight osteoarthritis pain. Another is weight loss. You get rid of just 1 pound. That's 4 pounds of pressure off each knee. For more information on managing pain, winding, on over to fightarthritispain.org. This message brought to you by the Arthritis Foundation and the Ad Council. 103.3 KFR with your West Michigan weather forecast.
Oh, I hope you're making the most of today because it's nice. It is windy. It'll stay this way. Could have some rain showers later tonight. Temps dropping to 45, but then tomorrow it will stay windy. We could have some rain, some snow flurries possible, especially later in the afternoon and into the evening. A high around 46, dropping down to the upper 20s tomorrow night with more snow possible. Nothing that should stick anyway. Partly cloudy Tuesday, staying cool. High 40s, 68 Battle Creek, 68 in Kalamazoo with Maroon 5.
103.3 KFR, today's best music.
Oh, yeah.
Hola,
Oh, yeah.
May sumlalang ta doon tayo. Zogamkhaita le zamong bang na eh. Zogamong. Lumang laway le lumang.